What's up guys, so today we are checking out the switchboard bot, which is used to press the old style buttons, which can be a push or single push buttons. And it is like your old buttons, but you still want to automate them without doing anything fancy. Just paste it along with the button and it will automatically push it because it has a hand that pushes the button. So it is for that. Let's try it out. We have some documentation which we will need, and we have this tiny little board. Let's remove it. They have the battery sealed because so that battery doesn't leak out. That's what they are saying, that pull, remove before use. So you need to pull, but before pulling, let's see what is inside it. So inside it we have CR2 industrial lithium battery made by Panasonic. So in case you run out of battery, you can still replace it. It is a replaceable battery and it is still in a good condition, not leaking out, so I will not need a replacement. And let's remove this part. Now it should be connected, and then install the cover back. See, okay, this is the double tape or adhesive which you will paste on the wall where the button is, and it is made by Switchboard makes many things like these. And now we need to pair it with your mobile phone. Let me find their QR code for their app. Let's see, this is the QR. This is the QR code for the app. Let's install it on my. I do have an iPhone here, but let's go with Android. I always find it faster. So app name is Switchbot. So in the box you should have one space sticker. They say I should have one space sticker. Where is the spare one? There you are. Okay, so my mistake. You do have some spare stickers as well, as per it, 2 add-ons. And user manual, battery, and one sticker already installed. One sticker, 2 different types of stickers as spares. Got it. Alright, it will work with Bluetooth first, and then probably it will work with the internet, and it also works with Alexa and Google Assistant if you are into it. Personally, I have never used any of those, so I'm not going to do a lot. I already showed you how to change the battery. There is a reset button they are mentioning. Where is the reset button? There should be one somewhere here, probably inside it. Let me open it again. This is the reset button in case you want to reset it. I think that was pretty much it, and app has been installed. It will auto open. Now we just need to control it with the app. It is already asking me to find the nearby devices. Let's set it up. It is asking me for permissions of location. Let's give it the permission it needs, and it has already identified the board 75. board is nearby. You can select different modes. Like by mode it means press mode, and then we have the switch mode in which it's single do, and press mode is for the push button, I think. And get new feature. Custom mode about is as it is, but custom mode is also there in case you need it to adjust it at different angles. I don't need it for now, so let's. And you can also adjust how much, for how long it should press, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. It is up to you. You have the press mode and switch mode. This is the switch mode. To switch mode, please note that if the device has been paired to remote, you need to pair them again after switching. So it looks like it looks like you can also pair it with remote as well. See, there is a motor that changes it, and if I do the mode change, it also does this. Okay, so for example, if I have used it like this is how you will install it. Now if I go there and try to switch the mode, it should press it down like this, right? And then press mode goes further down. See, I will show you a clip of it pressing down with on the old style buttons, but let's explore the other features. So you have the mode, you have the bot itself. You can give it a name, you can give it a passcode if needed. You can, obviously it gives schedules because that's what you're looking for. You're trying to automate things, installation and accessories, like how to use it. It's a user manual already included. As you can see, it is giving instructions like what kind of button to use it and how. See, the animations are there, how they will press it. You can also use this kind of stick to push the button back, the old style button, like 1 for press, and then if you see this animation, it is also pushing it back. So you can totally automate your old style buttons. So this is the press mode in which just it presses. It is for buttons in which the button automatically comes back. So for example, a doorbell or a light which just comes back automatically, the button automatically like comes back. But the switch mode is in which the button does not come back automatically, so you need to bring it back at certain schedule. So it pushes it and then waits for the other schedule to on and then pushes it back, like pulls it back like this. See, so this one is push, press or push. This one is switch mode. There is a difference between the two. The idea is to use the right one. So you have the user manual inside it already. Help, feedback, firmware and battery is loading. Let's see. Failed to update, try again. That's not good. Alright, it is not letting me see the firmware and battery part for some reason. Otherwise I should have been able to view the battery part. Pin to home page, no need for that. It is right now in press mode. So in press mode it goes down and does not bring out. Can I change its style? Because they mentioned you can also change its style. This is circular. Let me bring it out by changing its mode to switch mode, because that is what I need. So see this part, there is a thread like part where you will insert a thread and you will use its extra adhesive which came here to plug it. Let me open them and show it to you. this one. So you will paste it on the button and you will like this, and you will insert it like this. There you go. So assume that you have installed the button. The first time it will push, the second time it will bring it out. So reverse directions on off. Let's go back and turn it on. Shouldn't it go back? So this is the press, and this, let me go back. I need to adjust its setting. Mode and reverse directions off. Okay. For example, now I want to, right now this is in off, on position, right? Let's turn it off like this. So now it's time to actually show you something. I mean, it is very difficult to see it in action like this, so let me show it with real action. Let's go.